This will be a battle of attrition, a battle of will. The boxers mirroring each other, and I have simply dubbed this the fight. Let's get all the details from the ring announcer, Oliver Hardy.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you and welcome to Jamaica University College, Kingston, Jamaica. As TVJ brings you the semifinals of this explosive competition, sponsored by Ray and Nephew White Overproof Rum, Our Spirit, in association with Fly Jamaica Airways, the official carrier of the Ray and Nephew Contender. This bout is sanctioned by the Jamaica Boxing Board of Control with our president, Stephen Bomber Jones, and our vice presidents, Alexander Johnson and Lieutenant Colonel Derek Robinson. Our judges at ringside are Brian Bouchard from Canada, Lindell Allen from Jamaica, and Keith Brown from Jamaica. Our timekeepers are Nicholas Chatou and Valerie Murphy. And our doctor at ringside, Dr. Andre McDonald and his short-time team. Okay, boxing fans, here we go with the moment you've all been waiting for. Our main event of the evening, 7 rounds of boxing in a junior middleweight matchup. And now, for the thousands in attendance and the millions joining us around Jamaica, live from the Jamaica University College, Jamaica, it's the Ray and Nephew Contender! Introducing to you first, boxing out of the red corner. Representing Jamaica by way of G.C. Foster, Spanish Town, Jamaica. Wearing red trunks with blue trim, he weighed in at 153.5 pounds. He has a professional record of 18 wins, 5 losses, 5 big wins coming by way of knockout. Tetsi Lights Out Davis. And his opponent across the ring, boxing out of the blue corner. Representing Jamaica by way of St. Mary, Jamaica. Wearing black trunks with gold trim. He weighed in at 154 pounds. He has a professional record of 21 wins, 3 losses, 14 big wins coming by way of knockout. Sakima Smooth Mullins. And our third man in the ring, our referee, Peter Richards.
Peter Richards beckons to Sakima Mullins to come forward. I suspect he is saying to them, well, as he always does, protect yourselves at all times, keep your heads up, keep your punches up, above the belt, that is, and listen to my instructions at all times. Tetsi Lights Out Davis on your screen. Sakima, Mr. Smooth Mullins on your screen. 7 rounds, junior middleweights. That's the 147 to 154 pound division. Semi-final number 1 of season 7 of the Ray and Nephew Contender Series. As I said in the tail of the tape, this to me should be a battle of attrition, a battle of will. Which of these boxers can impose his will on the other? I think that's what this is about. The fighters are a carbon copy of each other. The keys to victory tonight for Tetsi Davis: he should box. He can now, we have discovered, stay close or stay on the outside. He can do either. He should throw the jab, throw the combinations, and throw his devastating body punches. We haven't seen much of that lately. For Sakima Mullins, the keys to victory for him is to stay on the outside. I don't think Sakima will be too effective on the inside. Avoid the accidental clash of heads. Box, jab, throw the body shots. He's also devastating, but I think Sakima then needs to find that right hook or the left hook. 2 minutes to go, and the boxers are really feeling out each other, and it is not a delicate dance. Left hook by Sakima, doubling up as I suggested. To the body, to the head, not much damage. And Tetse has to be careful. He has a tendency of dropping that left hand. I hope that Sakima didn't throw a right with the elbow just now, because that could be dangerous. Both boxers are susceptible to being cut. A right by Tetse, a right by Sakima. Midway round one, folks, and I have already had a feeling. Sharp left hook by Sakima. Tetse comes back with a right, a slapping right of his own. And this is what I expected. The boxers are a carbon copy of each other, folks. They jab well, they have devastating body punches. I think the only difference here is the left hook of Sakima. And he throws it and he doubles up and he just dug to the body of Tetse, who came back over the top. And another. There is no backing down from either man. 30 seconds to go. Sakima to the body. Tetse stays close. They have to watch the head. And this opening round, barring some late flurry, is a tough opening round to score. Both boxers have done some work. They have delivered punches. Tetse is fighting tight and compact, and he's not backing down here. They are throwing haymakers at the bell. What an opening round. And I am unable to separate them. I have scored the opening round a draw, folks. You don't want to do that. It's a 10-point must system. But when the round is close, as we see Sakima in his corner, you go to the other three criteria. Let's head into Gilbert Vaz in Sakima's corner.